In this video, we will replace the idler and pulley assembly. The idler and pulley assembly is most commonly used in many Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, and Roper dryers. You will need the following tools to complete this repair: a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, a 5/16 nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a painter's tool, commonly known as a putty knife. Stop! Before you begin this repair, make sure the appliance is unplugged from the wall outlet.
Click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, we are here to help. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. Our videos have been created with you in mind. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.